Morning.
They look a little young.
That they are.
They look a little nervous.
I need all flight crews report to the designated areas immediately.
Major, may I borrow that?
Sir. Good morning.
Good morning. In less than an hour, aircraft from here will join others from around the world. And you will be launching the largest aerial battle in the history of mankind. Mankind, that world should have a new meaning for all of us today. We can't be consumed by petty differences anymore. We will be united in our common interests. Perhaps it's fate that today is the 4th of July, and you will be once again be fighting for our freedom. Not from tyranny, oppression, or persecution, but from annihilation. We are fighting for our right to live, to exist, and should we win the day, the 4th of July will no longer be known as an American holiday, but it's the day when the world declares in one voice, we will not go quietly into the night. We will not vanish without a fight. We're going to live on. We're going to survive. Today, we celebrate our Independence Day.